We've got the auto sales numbers in entirety for the month of May. So when it comes to passenger cars, there have been strong sales of about 5% higher than the same period a year ago. And when it comes to two-wheeler sales, they're up nearly 12% in the month of May from the same period a year ago. So it shows that consumption and consumption spending in our country is intact. But if you take a look at the commercial vehicle sales, you'll see commercial vehicle sales were down 6.5%. And this is the indicator of industrial growth because commercial vehicles are used in mining activities, in transporting products from one place to the other, and people are not really placing orders for commercial vehicles. There is a little bit of uncertainty about GST, plus they're not so sure about orders picking up, so commercial vehicles were down. When it comes to exports, the performance was good. We saw total vehicle sales up about 9%. So the fact that global growth is picking up is definitely good for auto sales as well. So if you look at the markets today, we're not really seeing any big moves coming in, but Maruti Suzuki is a stock that is at the high of the day. It's trading at a record high at 7,364. It is the biggest gainer on the Nifty today. The other auto stocks are not really doing much today. The Sensex and the Nifty are trading with a marginally negative bias. They're off the lows of the day, but they're not really going anywhere. They are directionless. The frontline indices, this is the trend that we have seen for the last couple of sessions. But there are individual stocks that are buzzing today. The hydroelectric power companies in NHPC and SJVN, they have seen a big move coming in today. There is a buzz that the government is coming out for a bailout for hydroelectric companies. There could be an interest subvention to the tune of 4% coming in. For now, these stocks are looking good. Then, of course, there are liquor companies that are doing well. We've got Tilak Nagar, Radico, Global Spirits, all of them are buzzing today. A day earlier, we heard that sale of liquor will be allowed in some places in Kerala. That was good news. Plus, in Bihar, the outstanding stock which has not been sold, that also has been allowed for sale. So we're seeing a good move coming in for the liquor stocks as well.